for announcements and watch the display.
This is a block-bound 9 train.
Engine number 9 is sturdy on the train line.
This is a
Engine
block-bound
number
9
9
train.
sturdy
The
on
next
the
stop
train
is
line.
Portland Street.
Yeah. Walk it out with me one time, mommy. Let me see you dirty wine. Show your lips on that grind. She said you might not believe the sign. We got the big trucks, Optimus Prime, but I still take the train. Got gumbo and sour, robber with the raw jacket, Dior, lady beautiful. Next stop, I'm getting on. I keep one arm up like a strap nigga. I'm in the Bronx. Ain't danger, don't get lost at the round table. I'm a boss.
Off the do say I'm sauce.
Engine number 9, get sturdy on the train line. Engine number 9, get sturdy on the train line.
All aboard, it's the 12465 DB train. It's BX man, from Knox and Gun Hill down to the South Bronx. It's all real, especially with these youngins in that BX drill. They showing true skills. We bringing New York City rap back to its essence and make it relevant. Right now in the present, the boogie down, stand up. My favorite rapper till this day is still KRS-One. I used to have rap battles up in school just for fun. My flow was sharp like a knife, loaded with bars like a gun. If you my challenger, you're dead, your heck is hung, you're done. All the exits is blocked, there's nowhere to run. I chase you to the train station, hop the turnstile and stab you right in your gut. Engine number 9. Engine number 9 BX.
Train goes off the track, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Back on the scene.